Memory or storage devices 2. Floppy disk. It is magnetic storage medium for computer systems. That is, thin, flexible disk sealed in square plastic carrier used to store data. Optical disk. It is referred to optical media, storage or optical disk drive ODD. It is any media read using a laser assembly. For example, Blu-ray, CDs, DVDs, WORM, erasable. Hard disk. It is part of unit called disk drive or hard drive that stores and provides relatively quick access to large amounts of data on an electromagnetic charged surface or set of surfaces. Magnetic tape. It is a type of physical storage media for different kinds of data. It is covered with plastic and it can carry 100 KB to several GB storage and used for long-term and backups. Central Processing Unit CPU. It is called the brain of the computer because it is control center of the computer. As CPU is located on small chip, it is also called microprocessor. CPU executes required computation and then either stores output or displays on output device. Main functional components of CPU are Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU, Control Unit CU, and Memory Registers. The speeds of processor is measured in clock speed, that is megahertz, MHz. Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU. It is responsible for performing various arithmetic, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, relational and logic operations. Control Unit CU. It is responsible for sequence of operations and also controls flow of data and instructions in the computer.